You'll get paid $133 downloading this ebook. You'll get paid another $67 downloading this ebook here. Here's $147 downloading the ebook. So the website that you should go for getting paid just to download this ebook is Avenger here, and I post videos on various ways of making money online. So if you like making money online, make sure go down this video and press on the red subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so that I can send you a notification whenever I come up with the new and fresh strategies of making money. Well, in this video we'll learn how to earn around $760 for free downloading ebooks. The strategy that I'm going to show you today is absolutely for free. That means you don't need to pay a single penny to get started working in this website, and this strategy is available worldwide. That means you can do it from any part of this world. Here, the first step for getting paid just to download ebooks is to go to this website called indigitalworks.com. Hope you can see this one, guys, indigitalworks.com. In this section, you need to go to this product section. You can see product section has come up. You have to click on this product section. So once you click on this product section, you can see this one, guys, resale rights ebook. If you click on this resale rights ebook section, so let me click on the resale rights section. I will show you step by step how you can get paid just to use this as a website. So make sure you watch this video till then, because I will show you step by step guide on. If you miss a single part of these steps, you will not be able to get paid using the method that I'm going to show you within some time. This is absolutely for free. You don't need to pay a single amount of money to get started working with this strategy that I've shown you here. Like this video first so my videos can reach to more awesome people like you who wants to make money online, and go down this video and comment your country name so that I can make a make money online website video dedicated just for your country, guys. So let's get back into the video again. Once you've clicked on this ebook with the resale rights section, you can see gold members, all these things have come up, solo as guru, and there are a lot of ebooks that's already come up. You can see 101 business planning and strategies, and all these things has just come up. If I scroll down again here, you can see how to get free website traffic, and you can see these are a lot of ebooks that are available here. You can see ClickBank Marketing Expert option has just come up. This is the ebook that has come up, ClickBank Marketing Experts and all this thing. If we scroll down again here, let me click on this ClickBank Marketing Expert. So you can download as many as ebooks from this website and get paid just to download this ebook here. Double, you have liked this ebook, guys, called ClickBank Marketing Expert and all these things. So you can see if you scroll down here, this ebook is only 3.5 MB. So suppose you can see how many ebooks you can download from this website absolutely for free. You can see terms of services. Product can be sold is absolutely for free, yet so you can sold and modify whatever pages you want to modify with this one. So next step is to go to this ClickBank Marketing Expert option. You can click on this download section. You should click on this download button, you can see, and this ebook will be downloaded to your website, guys, or your phone, whichever you are using for using this website, guys. You just need to click on this download section and this ebook will get downloaded. And for downloading this one, you just need to create an account in this website, and this is absolutely for free. You need to pay single amount of money to use this website. You just need to download this section here, this ebook here. So this is the second step, guys. Just download this ebook here. Scroll down here, you can see if I keep on scrolling, there are a lot of ebooks that are available, and people like to read ebooks nowadays. Remember this one, guys, and this is the way we are getting paid for this one. You can see email marketing secret is one more ebook that are available in this website. You can click on this email marketing secret options. So once you click on this email marketing section, this email marketing section ebook has just come up, secrets. You can just click on whichever ebooks you are liking. You just need to download. Click on this one called download button, and you can click on this download. And once you have downloaded, this will be downloaded to your phone, to your computer, PC, and all these things. Just keep this ebook with you, guys, when you are in your PC or whatever place you want to keep it. Download this ebook section that I've shown you here, whichever, for example, we've taken this one as email marketing secret option here. So next step is to go to this website called gumroad.com. Hope you can see this one, guys. Gumroad.com. This is the website there people are coming each and every day just to download ebooks, guys. You can see they are paying a lot of money just to download this ebook. You can see 59 euros and all these things, 59 euros, and we have to take this opportunity to get started with this website and start making money with this website, guys. You can see $375, you can see. So let me quickly go to this film and video section. You have to go, and we have to go to this books and writing section here. So the books and writing section has just come up. You can see this book is getting paid for around $133. Another ebook is getting paid around $67. Another ebook is costing around $147. So whenever somebody comes and downloads one of this ebook, and one thing, guys, this gumroad.com is getting lots of visitors each and every day and each and every month. So once someone downloads $133, you will get paid directly to your bank account. So there are a lot of email ebooks that are available absolutely for free. You can download a lot of ebooks here from this website. Just download 1,000 ebooks each and every day. You can see this is only 3.5 MB the size of these ebooks here, you can see, and there are a lot of ebooks pages that are available in each page, guys. So download each of this one ebooks. Go to this website called gumroad.com, click on start selling, create a free account in this website, guys. Create a start selling free option, free account in this. Stick around with me, guys, don't go anywhere. I'm going to be revealing the website's name within a moment, guys. Click on the start selling section. You can see this one, the start selling section has just come up. You need to click on the start selling section, and there will be free offer that you have to click on. Free account you have to create in this account, and just need to upload all the ebooks that you download that I've shown you. That will be absolutely for free. And once you download all this one, guys, you can see there are a lot of ebooks people are uploading each and every day, and for that you need to price it. So they are pricing it around $144, so you don't need to price so much. You just can download, because the ebook that you have taken is absolutely for free. Just do it for around approximately $5 for each ebook, or $10 for each ebooks, and you will get paid $10 for each person downloading this ebook from this website. And this will be a recurring payment option with this website, guys. So just need to upload this ebooks. Just download this ebooks that I'm shown here. People will start downloading these ebooks from this section. Once a person is downloading this ebook from this website, you will get paid for this download for each and every time, and this will be a one-time work, guys. So you have to just do this one for one time, and you will get paid for a passive income recurring payment each and every day whenever somebody is buying some of your ebooks and all these things. I hope you like this one video, guys. Make sure you like this video, share this video with all of your friends and family, so that they can also start getting paid just to downloading ebooks each and every day and each and every month. I'll meet you on my next upcoming video. So if you like making money, so make sure you press on the red subscribe button right now, and comment down below in the comment section which country you are from, so that I can make a video dedicated for your country. So one guy has commented me on the comment section. He's from, I guess, French or something. So this video is absolutely for you guys. You can do it from any part of this world, and this is applicable for French as well. You can do it from this website for that guy that I've shown you. Oh, I guess it's not from French. This guy was from Kenya or something. So for you, this website is absolutely for you guys. So you can start working in this website and start making some passive income sitting at your place. So I'll meet you on my next upcoming video with fresh and interesting strategies of making money online. Till then, bye bye.